Maker Lab, what we do is we take things apart and look at the circuits that are in it.
I like the Maker Lab because it's very fun and the Ollie is fun to play with, and it's really challenging to make the task that I have to do.
Basically what Lego League's about, it's about like educational stuff. And really what Maker Lab's about, it's about soldering and all this other stuff. And it's about making, like doing all this opportunities for kids.
And with the circuits, we build stuff with them.
Kids in the Maker Lab, it is an extracurricular enrichment program for electronics, audio visual. It is over and above schoolwork, but it does apply to standards.
For more awesome.
Circuitry is parallel. You can get a parallel wire where you can, if it's a circle like this, you can, and then there's another circle around here, you can connect this circle, disconnect it, and this one will still work. But a series is where there's one big circle, and if you cut it and you make the energy circle apart, it will not work.
Editing programs on the computers, which is what we're using as we speak. Let's see, we have circuitry. We're going to use a green screen. And we have remote control devices. And they are all linked to education. And this is where we're going with this program.
Maker Lab is a good opportunity for kids to get involved. Mostly they're remote control robots. Not really remote, but there are special apps on the iPads, the Sprios, the Ollies, the quadcopters, and the solar kits.
The main thing about Maker Lab is to come together and build things as
we write about what we did. We have it has 3 sections. The first one, plans. That was what you write. So if you said we were going to fly the quadcopter, we would fly it's something like we would fly the quadcopter and see how advanced the controls were. Next, observations. It's kind of what you were doing along the way. Then observations, you say things like, as we were doing it, we figured out that they were pretty simple. In fact, there was even its own button to land. And we say stuff to tell what that's about. The conclusion is the last thing. What you ended up with, the sum. It would be like we figured out the quadcopter is a has easy controls, so it's good for many young ages.
Maker Lab can be very fun, but it can also be very difficult for some people. We do not want that, but it can.
Makey is it's like you can connect you could get a wire and you could connect it to like a